Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today on Stacey's Country Cooking. I had a viewer want me to make a coconut poke cake, a coconut cream poke cake. So today I'm going to share that with you. I'm going to use a vanilla cake mix, coconut cream pudding, cream of coconut, and then some whipped topping and some shredded coconut. To get started, I'm going to put my cake mix in the bowl. I'm just going to do this by hand. Okay, and then I'm going to open up my cream of coconut pudding mix. I'll mix the coconut and the cake mix together, the pudding and the cake mix. And then to this, I'm going to add a cup of water, a half a cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to mix this up a little bit. It'll get really thick with the pudding in there. Okay, and to this I'm going to add a half a cup of milk, 3 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. You mix it up really well. And I'm going to take this somewhere, so I'm going to put it in an aluminum pan. I sprayed it really well. So after you get it mixed up really good, pour it in the pan. And then you let this bake until a toothpick comes out clean. And then when it gets done, I'll show you what else you do. Okay, I have on the coconut cream, or the cream of coconut in the can, it's kind of solid, so I heated it up in a saucepan and added a couple tablespoons of milk to it. And it melts really easy. I use this instead of sweetened condensed milk. I usually use the sweetened condensed milk in my poke cakes. But this tastes really coconutty. Okay, and what you want to do is you take a wooden spoon or something with a bigger end on it, and then you just start poking holes all over it. And then you take this cream of coconut mixture and you just kind of pour it over top and get them in the holes. This makes it really moist. Okay, now I'm gonna let this cool completely and let it sit in the refrigerator for a little while, and then I'll show you how you top it. Okay, now it's time to top this. I'm gonna use a frozen whipped topping. Just kind of dollop around. You could also make your own using heavy whipping cream and powdered sugar and flavorings. And you just spread it all out. Then you take some sweetened coconut and just sprinkle it over the top. And there you got it. It's coconut cream poke cake. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for joining me today on Stacy's Country Cooking. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. Thank you.